Jagoro mogirore migao masomo Julius Bitok ogolo siem mager ne jopuonj manigi tim mar nyayo weche hera kendo rocho ratiro mag jopuonjre. Kano loso chenro mar awayanga klese manyien e skul primar ma Esumeya e kar chung'od bura ma Navaholo, kaunti ma Kakamega, Bitok owacho ni gisechako timo nonro ne jopuonj ma weche ma kamago mieno. Magi timore kinde ma jopuonjre machon ma skul nyiri ma Alliance dwaro kao ondamo mar chik ne japuonj moro mosebedo ka rocho ratich jopuonjre kuom higni mathoth.
I want to call upon all of us to rethink, perhaps as young people, what it is that we are doing. We would hate that many years to come, there will be a generation that will be burning down Kenya, and they will be saying that they are the generation of Dr. William Samoei Ruto. So let us delink unruly behavior, theft, and things like that that destroy a nation to education system.
We are going to be very firm on anybody who is caught doing the wrong thing in our schools. We are not going to condone any misbehaviors by our teachers, any sex abuses, and anything else that is outside the law. I have sent inspectors and quality assurance officers to Marsabit to be able to look into the situation of the complaint that came, that you have seen on social media, and we have directed them to be very firm.